Hi, Stuart Barn here, and in this video we are looking at using the major pentatonic scale over blues changes. Now, we mentioned before that the major pentatonic scale doesn't work over chord progressions very well. I mean, it kind of works, but it's not great. It's not as good as the minor pentatonic scale over blues changes. That's fabulous. So we need to adapt what we're doing and be selective when we decide to use it. So, as I'm sure you know, typical blues changes are chord 1, which is an A or A7 in particular. Then we go to a D7, back to A, D again, E, D, E. Okay, now I've got a slowed down version of that in my loop pedal, which I'll put on in a moment. Now what I'm going to do is, over the A chords, I'm going to use the A major pentatonic scale. But over the Ds and the Es, I'm going to use the A minor pentatonic scale. And I think you'll agree it works very well. So, here it is. Let me try that again. Turn my volume up first. Here's the D. Back to the A. Here comes the D. A again. Here's the E. Okay, so that was A major pentatonic over the A chords and a minor pentatonic over the Ds and the Es. If this is a new area for you, then I strongly recommend using it. You could also just use the same pattern. So in other words, you could do A major pentatonic down here using shape 5, and then the same pattern here for A minor pentatonic. It's perfectly good. The only problem with that is that you are having to jump back and forth, whereas the approach I took was a major pentatonic shape 1 and a minor pentatonic shape 1. And it's very easy to sort of switch from one to the other once you're comfortable with the patterns. I hope that was useful. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Get in your practice regime, practice it lots, and if you haven't already, do please click subscribe and feel free to share this video.